In this video, I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to MetaMask. So first open up your MetaMask app and then go ahead to the portfolio section at the bottom left. And then from here, you need to select the network in the top left. So as you can see, I'm on the Ethereum mainnet and just go ahead and select the network. And it's really important that you match the network on Coinbase and MetaMask because otherwise your crypto might get lost in the transfer. I'm just going with the mainnet one and I'm going to click on this transfer button down below and I'm going to click on receive. And once I do that, I will have my wallet address in here. So I'm just going to copy this address to my clipboard and now I'm going to open Coinbase to paste this in the transfer. So go ahead and open up your Coinbase app and then click on transfer at the bottom right. Select send crypto. And in here we need to paste in the wallet address that we just copied from MetaMask. So let's go ahead and fill that in. And now click on this thing just down below. Select Ethereum. And in here you need to select the same network as you just did on MetaMask. I went for the Ethereum mainnet default network, so I'm going to select this one. Now enter the amount that you want to transfer and after click on preview. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in this as well, so I'm going to fill in self-custody wallet. And if you're sending it to yourself, go ahead and check this box and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence. And after go ahead and click on continue at the bottom. And in this screen, you will see all of your transaction details. So everything is all right. Go ahead and click on send now at the bottom. And as you can see, we have successfully sent our Ethereum. So let's go ahead and click on done. And now we can see that the transaction is pending. So let's open our MetaMask to see if it's already there. I can see that my balance has increased, so I know that the transfer has been completed. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.